what's going on YouTube? Thusee here from Quick, and today we're back in the Integra, just going for a little drive, gonna grab something to eat for dinner. I've got the phone mounted, actually stuck in between the headrest and the chair right now on the passenger side, so we'll see how that is for angle and for, I guess, camera shake. Hopefully it's not as bad as it being mounted up with the suction cup on the windshield. Today I don't really have any topics per se. I'm just gonna be driving to get my dinner and then driving back home, and you guys can hear and check out the MBRP exhaust. I have the windows cracked open in the back there, so enjoy the video. Doesn't love suburbables, right? I think I had a comment not too long ago on one of the videos asking if I had a resonator installed. With this setup right now, I don't, so I'm running the stock downpipe, the MBRP exhaust, and then I have the resonator delete or the straight pipe installed right now. I don't think I'm going to be getting a downpipe, so I don't really think I need to install a resonator, but it's good to have. At least they include it, so if you do end up going down that route, you can kind of dial your sound in. So I think what we'll do, I'm basically here, so I'm gonna go get my food, maybe take the highway back, or take the highway for one exit maybe. We'll see. Okay, so back, got the goods. Gonna head on home now. Again, not really much to say apart from my commentary to myself while I'm driving. Don't mind me. If anything comes to mind, obviously I'll give my 2 cents, but a few people sit in the car and I'm driving and they say it feels like an old school Honda. It doesn't obviously drive like one, like a red line of 6,500 RPM or whatever, but it sounds like one. It kind of feels like one. Very peppy, ready to go. Just shaved half a second off cutting the lines like that. You see that? Damn. Hopefully you got to hear the exhaust. I think it sounds great. But yeah, we hit an undisclosed speed there, obviously. We're not going that fast. As I've said in every video about this car, it's very much not a fast car, so you can't really expect to be going any crazy speeds. But it does sound good, it feels great, it shifts good. For now, while the clutch is still in one piece. And yeah man, you can't really ask for much more. I mean, I guess you could always ask for more power. But with this engine specifically, sometimes it's a little risky chasing numbers a bit. And also allow me for my shifting. I know I'm not shifting the fastest, and I know I'm not shifting the car and driving it as hard as I possibly could. But you also have to remember this is my daily driver, so I can't really be beating on it like that. Hopefully the clutch lasts, you know, at least a couple of years or few years. We're about 36,000 kilometers, so, you know, I'm hoping it lasts at least double what it has so far. But we'll see. Alright guys, so that's it. We're back home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick little run with the exhaust. Give you guys some clips of the driving around normally and then one pull on the highway. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to drop it in the comments below. I do read the comments. I try to keep up with them for the most part. And if I do see any questions or anything, I try to answer them once I do see them. So feel free to ask any questions down below. Hope you have a good one. Peace.